In a significant event, Meghalaya's Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma inaugurated the Centenary Jubilee celebration of Chutwakhu locality in West Jaiñtia Hills. Also present were Deputy Chief Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar, local MLA and Chairman Meghalaya Urban Development Authority Wailadmiki Shylla, Headman of Chutwakhu, Philanderwell Lyngdoh, Secretary of the Dorbar Shnong Chutwakhu, Homelin M Bareh, members of the Dorbar Shnong residents besides others. During his address, Conrad Sangma commended the community for its impressive growth, particularly highlighting the role of women leadership and active youth participation since the year 1931. He praised their collective journey and the unity that continues to inspire the region. The Chief Minister also called on the people to unite in the fight against the growing drug menace, urging them to collaborate for a healthier, stronger Meghalaya.
Kadang wire chief guest yaw tayo mo tablet kerpat yaw roo jing thapti. I request her to kindly stay back, and also now let us all give a big round of applause.
Okay, now we both hand it over to him. Yes, there we go. Thank you.
And
immense joy to be here amidst each one of you as we celebrate 100 years of Chutwakhu locality. Friends, this is indeed a red letter day for the people of the locality as we celebrate this huge milestone. On this day, we pay our respects to the founders of this locality for their service and their sacrifice. As early as 1934, when the youth organization of the locality was formed, this cooperation between men, women, and the youth is what gives strength to our state even today. We all have to work in tandem for the good of everyone. Over the years, this locality is proud to have produced citizens who became church pastors, doctors, lawyers, dramatists, footballers, and many others. Friends, this locality indeed is progressive. Since 1990s, it has formed committees on education, counseling, finance, music, and arts and culture. The purpose of these committees was to look after the proper functioning of the education sector, counsel the people of the locality on their behaviors, oversee the finances of the locality, identify and promote music talent, and preserve culture and tradition.